What's happening? This is Dad Bad God, 1/4 of the Ride Squad. How y'all doing? But it's so goddamn good. It's a Friday. I'm just getting off work, and I really gotta jump on some motorcycles, man. They're all just sitting on chargers and just wearing the batteries out for no reason, connected to these trickle chargers and shit. So might as well get a natural good cycle in it. Everybody been hitting me up asking like how close am I to the fires and all that kind of stuff, and I mean, I appreciate everybody looking out. We're good. I'm up here in Northern California. That's about 400 miles south of me. Damn, this thing is just brilliant. But it's so damn abrupt. So for those of you that are new to the channel, obviously it's been a really long time since I actually strapped on this helmet to do any type of motorcycle content. But the weather's so good, I just can't not do it. God damn, this thing is violent. I'm riding right now. Don't do it. I don't promote that. Even though I do it, I try not to show it. I'm a track day dude, so that's really all that I do. My motorcycles are track use, and that's pretty much all I really want them to be used for. Sure, I'm on a 1000. Sure, it's fast on the freeway in a straight line. Sure, right? But who cares? So anyways, you can see beautiful NorCal sceneries. It's amazing, man. We live in a dope ass place for motorcycles because I can do freeway, I can do back roads, I can do coastal rides. Everything is like in 5-10 minutes from me. Plus, we all know how quickly I can get to a racetrack. The next couple of weeks are gonna be real interesting though. Got a dope opportunity I had last year. This year I'm gonna share it with y'all. I'm not gonna spoil it just yet. Just stick to next week's vlogs. I mean, obviously I made this bike all track edition. Like, I mean, we're in 6th gear already, high up in the RPMs. Thing is, I geared this bike down so much, it's not really about top end speed. It can do about 170, you're fine, that's very dramatic, relax. It can do about 170 miles an hour on the top end, but the gearing is to keep the power band like real lively, real active. So this is just a bike that is pure track setup. It actually feels so much more different because I have the suspension done now, and it's just good for tip ins. But also I have California, y'all. You have that type of driver and this type of driver. But also I have tire pressures that are pretty low, because once they heat up on the track, then you get the actual tire pressure that you need. Hey, and for everybody that's in my YouTube shorts, that's what running the light looks like. Have y'all ever noticed this right here? I get everybody that comments on a YouTube short and say, you run the light. I'm a law-abiding citizen, mostly. This right here keeps us from turning on the light, per se, by law. On the short, I look straight ahead, red light. I look left to make sure nobody's coming, and when you see the camera go back here, we got a green light. A lot of people miss that. This bike is so analog, I love it. But I don't blame them for being idiots, because I don't care. But I abide by the rules for the most part. That's one of my most popular shorts, right? Because it just gets people arguing. They come to call me a squid and all this shit and say how dumb I am, but they're actually the stupid ones. And I find it so funny because it's like rage bait. And I didn't even intend it to be like that. It just happened. I was looking at the light. They weren't. God damn.
Damn, I'm hella mad these gloves got faded like that. I was looking at them like, what the hell is this shit? Because I typically really keep my gloves clean unless Jalen grabs them. But I think that was battery acid. But that, damn, that was super long ago. Oh well, got hella other gloves over here, so who cares, I guess. Anyway, I really shouldn't even been riding with this helmet, to be completely honest. This is the helmet I bapped in. So that makes it unfit for motorcycle activities, if I bap. And I've been doing so much car shit, I haven't swapped over the microphone and all the stuff that I got in this helmet into the other helmet. I got like 3 other helmets. This one fell in, retired. This one fell in, retired. Remember, don't y'all ever use a helmet on your head and think your safety gonna have the same level of safety that you had when it was new if you fall with your helmet. Swap them out. Trust me, $700 here to keep your head in order. Remember, I'm a skilled rider. I'm falling on the track because I'm pushing myself. On the track, I've hit my head literally both times because I high side. Yeah, I keep getting high sided off of these bikes. So every time I get high sided, I come down, slam my head on the ground, and that ruins the helmet. So that's out of there. If it happens to you on the street, please just get another helmet. Safe riding. I like to promote that. That's why I don't ride on the street, because keep it funky, track bike, track bike, track bike, track bike. That's kind of why I'm hype about getting this R9. I get the R9, I'm going to leave it as street as possible. I'm excited about getting that bike so that I can actually ride. Like, that's not too comfortable to ride on the street. It's just so immediate, throttle, instant snappy, 80 pound-feet of torque on the ground, hella acceleration, geared super short, it just goes. That's all this bike does. When the R9 gets here, it's gonna be like streetable. So I'm hype about it, I'm happy about it, I can't wait to get that thing. And yeah, I mean, it'll be a little bit more riding content for y'all that might want to see some stuff like that. It's not just going to be all track day. This is all track day edition. I think me going around like bike nights, riding through the Bay Area back roads that don't really get shown like that, because everybody's showing straight line Texas, straight line LA, straight line Florida. All that shit kind of corny. Show some of this back road shit here in NorCal. This is the best riding scene in all of America. I know SoCal thinks they got it. I know Tennessee, Georgia line of Tail of the Dragon think they got it. No. NorCal is the best riding environment, period. Period. And I'm going to show that with the R9. So it was good to get out on this thing. I have not ridden it in ages. I actually wanted to go a little bit further and actually go through a back road. That was just 7 miles, believe it or not. So got a few boxes in for some stuff. This is Jalen's car stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and throw some things on Jalen's car tomorrow. But today I just really wanted to get something together real quick just to get you guys acquainted. Like, hey, what's happening? I'm here working, obviously. I worked at a club yesterday. I know whose club it is. I'm not going to divulge that. And it was across the street from Dope Era. So if y'all know, then you know. But it was a little complicated, man. This was a whack work week. It wasn't hard. It was actually really easy shit, but it was whack because the stuff that I had to do or deal with that I couldn't get a solution for, didn't make the work week fun. So things like that I don't like. I don't mind doing stuff, but I like getting a solution for it and having a complete work day. Like here, start on my work, recognize what the problem is, fix it, and be done. I love that. I don't like what I've been dealing with this week. So whack work week, got some stuff to look forward to. Next week is a real big week, and it's gonna be vlogs for 2 weeks straight. Not every day, but for 2 weeks straight, it's going to be vlogs about a specific set of content, things that is really special and exclusive, and I'm part of it. And you guys are going to get to ride with me. So you're going to go with me on the journey. Tune in. Make sure you like, hit that subscribe, and enjoy the content coming up. But I'm out. We'll blow off some dance steam. I'm relaxing. I'm going to get y'all too when I'm out.